Next up in the core stability series is a high plank. Now we're going to do this on an incline. So this is a much earlier core exercise for the earlier phases of rehab, but it's good to start getting the abdominals going and then even the quadriceps in the front as well. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to need something that's not going to be moving. So it could be a countertop or a table, something that's just not going to slide. And we're going to do a high plank. So that means I'm going to be using my hands. My arms are going to be straight, and I'm going to back my feet up. So I'm trying to get as flat as I can, and this is going to put more postural demand on the front of the body, and it's going to help us engage the core muscles in the front of our body. So once in position, I'm nice and straight. I'm just going to hold this for time. Really keep monitoring for any drooping of our pelvis, any tenting here. So find that neutral, engage the core here, and you should be able to maintain a light contraction in your quadriceps and then your abs throughout this exercise. Now make sure you monitor too when you're contracting your abdominals. Make sure you can breathe while you do this. A lot of people tend to hold their breath. Don't be doing that because that's compensating. You're trying to recruit other muscles. We should be able to target our anterior core without holding our breath. So we should be able to breathe normally while our abdominals maintain a sustained isometric contraction in this high plank position.